Hi guys, this is Coach Mav. Today is Joey's 9th session, 5th day niya, last day niya ngayon. So, pupunta ako ngayon sa court, nandun na siya sa court. And I'm gonna review everything simula nung umpisa. Pero, basically mag-start kami kung ano yung ginawa namin kahapon, which is yung vlog na nakaraan. Nag-start na tayo mag-combine ng dalawang footwork together with shooting and different kinds of finishing moves. And medyo nag-struggle siya doon sa part na yun. So, okay lang naman yun. Wala namang problema yun pag nag-struggle. Most especially kung bago lang naman sa yung galaw na ginagawa mo. And sa part niya, pagdating sa footwork, talagang halos lahat ng mga footwork na ibibigay sa kanya is bago sa kanya. Kasi yun nga, kung di nyo nasusubaybayan yung series ni Joey, this is gonna be his 9th video, yung 8 videos niya na nauna. Talagang wala siyang ibang footwork na ginagawa pagdating sa laro kasi he's a catch and shoot shooter. So, we are working his footwork. Again, kung nagtataka bakit dalawa lang yung footwork na binibigay ko, it's because it's mastery of skills. He has to do it over and over again. And the idea is to be able to do 1 or 2 moves ng paulit-ulit for weeks, for months, hanggang sa ma-master mo. Pag na-master mo na, saka ka na magdagdag. Instead of doing lots of different kinds of things in a short period of time. So parang mangyayari nun, gagawa ka ng ganitong move sa konting oras. So ang daming movements. At the end of the day, wala ka na master, wala ka talaga naintindihan. And pagdating sa game, hindi mo siya magagawa. So we are focusing on 2 movements. That's step, and drop. And punta na tayo sa court. Naghintay na sa atin si Joey.
Kahit saan may napadpad ngayon eh. Galing kami ng Davao. Meron namin nakuha pero di pa sigurado kaya mas mabuti. Continuous ang scouting.
Sige po.
Meron dala Joey.
Oo nga. Ay, ano
Ito. Yun, no excuses yan. No excuses.
Yari tayo dito. So, thank you po. Sige po. Joy. Warm ka na. Kahapon may only have 2 cones. Okay? Cross, step dun sa first cone. Okay, ngayon gawin nating 4, Joey. So you're gonna move forward here. As you cross, you move forward. 4 cones. Cross, I want it wide. Push cross. Step cross. Step cross here. Then we pull up here. Get me? So basically, you'll make 4 crosses, cross, before you take the shot. Now, it's just the same na ginawa natin kahapon. Ang pinagkaiba lang, kahapon 2 cone lang, which is isang cross na yung ginagawa mo. Ngayon, gusto ko mas damihan yung repetition para mas mabilis ma-memorize ang muscle mo. And I want it as fast as you can. Ready? Good job. Do it as fast as you can, challenge yourself. Pagdating mo dito sa point na to, make it a quick cross. Hindi yung, okay, make it quick. Push, side, make it quick. Let's go. Nagmadali ka na, hindi na.
Hindi na ako.
Ipakita mo to, Joey. Pag nito, the reason why I want you to plant the first foot, again, ulitin ko lang. Pag plant, kasi yun yung magpupush sa'yo going to the side. Pag plant, push going to the side. Go. Right. Shot, ay! Ito yung comfort zone mo, itong layo na to. You try to extend a little bit from here para mapilitan kang gumalaw na mas wide, Joey. Okay now. Kung same effort yung ibibigay mo, hindi ka abot doon. I want you to be able to push, go into the side and extend your arm. Pag maliit yung galaw mo, hindi mo siya napagalaw, hindi ka rin makaka-penetrate. That's why we cannot move. We have to really master this one first. Kasi ito yung magiging initial move mo eh. Ngayon, from this one, pag kumagat, we cross. Pag hindi kumagat, diretso. Pero kailangan mo na ma-master yung footwork na to. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yun! Come on, better. Good job. Nice one. Good job. Nice one. Good. Perfect. Good job. Nice one. Nice one. Good job. Good job. Nice one. Next one. Nice one. Gagawa mo siya 4 consecutive reps. Tuloy-tuloy ng tama. Tapos biglang mawawala. Tapos tinanong kita, ano kayang dahilan bakit hindi mo siya magawa? Sabi mo, pagod. Now, hindi ko pwede tanggapin yung reason na pagod. You know why? Kasi every time you train, talaga naman mapapagod ka. Eh paano yun? Every time you train, pag napagod ka, dahilan mo yung pagod mo para di mo siya magawa ng tama. Ibig sabihin, every time you train, you will have this reason kung ba't hindi mo siya magagawa. Now, nung kinausap kita, sabi ko, you cannot make what you feel as a reason bakit di mo siya magawa. Right after, nung sinabi ko yun sa'yo, tuloy-tuloy, puro tama yung ginawa mo. When in reality, dapat mas pagod ka na nun compared na nung first na tinanong kita. Pero ba't nagawa mo siya ng tama? So tatanungin kita ulit.
Nakafocus ako, coach.
Yung sinasabi ko sa'yo. Nilalagay mo yung focus mo dun sa pagod mo. Kaya pag tinanong ka bakit di mo magawa, kasi pagod na ako. Pag hindi mo magawa ang isang bagay, it's because your focus is not on that something that you are doing. It's because your focus is on something na nararamdaman mo. Kasi pagod na ako, kasi masakit to, kasi ganito, kasi ganyan. Without even realizing that when you train, talaga namang may sasakit sa katawan mo. Without even realizing that when you train, talaga namang mapapagod ka. Remove that kind of excuse. Kasi kung meron kang ganong excuse na pagod na ako, hindi ka mawawalan ng excuse.
Alright, I understand that Joey's tired. This is his 4th straight day, tapos twice a day kami nagtitrain. 9th session. I know he's really tired. Pero guys, every time you train, hindi mo pwedeng gawin excuse na kasi pagod ka na. Kasi, every time you train, talaga namang mapapagod ka. Talaga namang mararamdaman mo na may sasakit sa katawan mo. So, kung may ugali ka na tuwing mapapagod ka, idadahilan mo yung pagod mo, hindi ka mauubusan ng dahilan, hindi ka mauubusan ng excuses. Na every time you train, talagang lagi kang may masasabi, kaya ganito, kasi ganyan, kasi ganito. When in reality, it's not what you feel that really matters. It's how you think. It's what you focus on. Kasi, ang challenge dito is kapag napagod ka na, yung focus mo napupunta sa pagod mo. May dalawang bagay yan eh. Ito yung ginagawa mo, ito yung pagod mo. So, yung focus mo, pag nilagay mo dun sa pagod mo, hindi mo magagawa na maayos yung ginagawa mo. But if you can focus on what you are doing and hindi mo na isipin yung pagod mo, which is very hard, it's very challenging, it takes time to master that kind of skill, siguro mas mag-i-improve ka. You focus on what you are doing, hindi dun sa pagod na nararamdaman mo. Kasi hindi ka mauubusan ng excuse yan, ako nagsasabi sa'yo. So that's what's happening to Joey right now. Pero after ko sabihin sa kanya yon, nakakagulat kasi nagawa niya na maayos, tuloy-tuloy. walang mali. So it means that hindi dahil sa pagod. It's because of the focus that you put dun sa nararamdaman mo. Guys, take that down. Take that down.
Remember this move? Drop. Remember that move? Now, dito, on the first two cones, we do the step-step cross, which is this one. Now, after you cross here, drop. Nakita mo yung footwork ko? You step-step here, cross, step-step cross, drop. Now, after the drop, pag atake mo doon, you do that move, yung ginawa ko dito. So, it looks like this, cross, step-step cross, drop, cross, then we drop here. You pull up here. So now, again, mas dinadamihan ko na yung movements, mas nakakalito siya, mas mahirap. I want you to focus on what you are doing. Okay, hindi sa pagod. Focus on this one. Kasi pag di ka dito nag-focus, tatagal tayo dito. Cross, step, step, cross, drop, cross, drop. Get me? Very good. Up, stop. Dribble mo kaagad bago bumalik. Good. Next one, Joey. Next one. Now, tapos na yung trial mo. I want you to do it as fast as you can. Okay, we'll start to count. Okay, make it wide, make it fast, focus on the details. Do it. Now, come on. Go! One. Next one, Joey, go! Next one, better, go! Okay, Joey, dito sa part na to, Joey. Push mo ba forward? Hindi yung nandito ka lang. Push mo dun o dun sa harap. Dito. Para malaki yung galaw mo sa umatake towards the left. You get me? At dito, pinulang ka ng konti. Extend it. Tapos yung 1-2 mo. 1-2. Now, there are lots of details na kailangan mo tandaan. I want you to focus. Come on, come on. Come on, focus! Go! Go, go! Next one, good one. Go! Next one, go! Next one, good job. Come on, make it quick. Go, drop. Good job. Push. Go. Go, push. Drop. Next one, good job. Go, balik ka na. Better. Go, balik. Better. Good one. Good job, good job, good job. Good job, good job, good job. So don't overthink. Magbalik mo to, do it again. Kapag nagkamali ka, analyze your mistake, saka mo itama. Hindi yung wala ka pang ginagawa, masyadong marami ka nang iniisip ka agad. Ano kayong gagawin ko? Ano kayong gagawin ko? Wala ka nang nagagawa. You overthink too much. Pagbalik mo sa cone, go na kaagad. Pag nagkamali ka, isipin mo na mabuti yung mali mo, tapos i-analyze mo paano mo itatama yung mistakes mo. You get me? Naubos yung oras natin, kakaisip mo eh. You overthink always. Tanggalin mo yun. Sometimes you just have to do it. Do it over and over again, over and over again. Because let your muscle memorize the move. Pag na-memorize ng muscle mo yung galaw, it's gonna be easier for you. It's gonna be natural. It's gonna be your instinct. Pero if you always think over and over, masyado kang maraming iniisip, hindi mo matatapos yung kailangan mo gawin. You get me? Don't overthink. Just do the drill. Over and over again. Let your muscle memorize the move. Pag nangyari yun, it's gonna be natural. Good job. Ngayon, nagawa mo siya. Okay? Kasi yung speed level, pababa. Hindi ka pa naka-full speed. Ngayon, gusto ko gawin mo siya full speed. Pero expect this one. Kapag tinaas mo yung speed, tinaas mo yung difficulty, mas malamang, mas maraming chances ka na magkamali. Kung nagawa mo siya ng tama at a very low speed, huwag mo expect na pag tinaas mo yung speed, it's gonna be the same. Kaya ako sinasabi sa ito kasi pag nagkamali ka, ayoko may inis ka. Now, I want you to add speed, pero huwag mo kakalimutan yung details.
Ngayon nagawa mo siya. Okay? Kasi yung speed level, mababa. Hindi ka pa naka full speed. Ngayon gusto ko gawin mo siya full speed. Pero expect this one. Kapag tinaas mo yung speed, tinaas mo yung difficulty, mas malamang, mas maraming chances ka na magkamali. Kung nagawa mo siya ng tama at a very low speed, huwag mo expect na pag tinaas mo yung speed, it's gonna be the same. Kaya ako sinasabi sa ito kasi pag nagkamali ka, ayoko may inis ka. Now, I want you to add speed, pero huwag mo kakalimutan yung details. Come on. Full speed yan, Joey, ah. Go! Come on! Come on, come on, Joey. Nice one! Nice one, good job! Nice one. Easy for you para hindi mo na siya magawa ulit. The fact na nagawa mo na siya, kaya mo siya gawin, kailangan mo siyang gawin ulit-ulitin mo. Okay. Extend, extend. Nice one, Joey. Nice one, perfect. Go. Perfect, Joey. Come on, extend. Nice one. Nice one, good job. Go. Perfect. Come on. Nice one. Go. Cross. Nice one. Perfect. Nice one. Good job. Go. Come on. Nice one. Good job. Go. Come on, Joey. Nice one. Good job. Go. Jump ball. Good job. Go. Nice one. Go. Jump ball. Nice one. Come on. Nice one. Good job. Nice one. Go. Okay. Joey, good job. That's perfect. Listen. Nagigets mo ibig sabihin? Focus. Nagagawa mo siya ng tama. Kaya ka nagkakamali kasi yung focus mo nilalagay mo sa ibang bagay. Ilagay mo yung focus mo sa improvement mo, ilagay mo yung focus mo sa dapat mong gawin, dun sa mga details ng galaw, dun mo ilagay yung focus mo. What you feel, yung pagod na nararamdaman is very distracting every time train. I-distract ka niyan. I-divert niyan yung focus mo dun sa pagod mo. Kapag nangyari yun, hindi mo magagawa na maayos. That's one of the secrets. Pero it's very hard kasi mahirap labanan yung pagod. Pero kapag kaya mo gawin yun, you'll improve faster. Good job, good job, good job. Ayos ba, Sai? Sai. Picture mo muna. Tignan muna natin.
Okay. Ready?
So may binigay sa akin si Joey na damit. Pero papaalam muna tayo kay Awi. Baka magalit eh.
Rock Uniform Solutions, baby!
Okay naman, di ba? Ako gusto ko, kaya lang baka magalit si Awi. Kaya.